Hi, my name is Manny. Welcome to the Manny's Menus YouTube channel. And for our first official YouTube video, we'll be doing a review on the Goxawee Cordless Drill Kit. This drill kit I bought off of Amazon for about 48 bucks. It was 30% off from its original price of about $69.99, I believe. So it's a very affordable cordless drill, and it comes with some pretty cool features. Without further ado, let's just open it up and let's see what we have. Now, I can't quite get everything within focus. There are some more tools further up from here, smaller socket sets, but for the most part this is everything. This is how it comes in the packaging. So let's see where to start. Let's start with this. So this is just a little bit of an extension, something so that you can do work in an angle. And you can see when I turn this bottom part, you see it spin. So that's pretty neat. Next we have the main piece, which is actually the drill itself. It actually already comes with one of the batteries inside, and then you get an extra battery right here. As you can see right there, there's a tool box just fell out a little bit. You can see the other row of socket sets right there. And as I was saying, so you get one battery and then a second one already in the drill. Now the one that's already in the drill, at least for me, was already charged. You get a battery charger right here. It only holds one battery at a time, but since you only usually have one in the drill, you can have the other one charging while you use one. Next, you have what they call a carbide. I apologize for the noise. A carbide masonry bit right here. Now this, they say, is for concrete and other hard surfaces. And the brush, I'm not quite sure what it's for. Maybe for cleaning up whatever dust is left behind. And in this other bag right here, I guess we have some masonry screws. And I always forget what these are called, but it's nice for them to give us these. Again, up here we have more attachments or tips, I should say. You know, you have your standard star-shaped Phillips, flatheads. You have sockets that range from about 5mm to, I believe that is 18mm. It does look like it jumps up, so it goes from 9, 11, 12, 13. I apologize, 13. Then you have some drill bits right here. Looks like I just pull these out. Yep, so they just pull out like that. See if I can get it back in. Yep, nice and easy. You can see, you can't really see from here, but yeah, you can. You have sizes. You have 4, 5, 6, and then 4, 5, 6. Different drill bits, probably for different application. These feel like masonry bits. Usually tell, I believe. No, these are actually, I forget what these are. I forget the type of drill bit they are, but nonetheless very cool. I can actually point it at the camera. That would be nice if it could focus. There we go. So nice drill bits right there. You're gonna put these back in there, and that about does it. It's a very nice set. Again, for the price of either $70 or whatever discounted price you can find in it. It is a very nice set. It comes with a lot of different pieces and extensions. Definitely good to have 2 batteries. Love that. Charger. Drill bit, which very fast. You have different settings. So drilling, screwing, and then hammering. So it actually lets you hammer. Goes up to 18. Very smooth. Very nice. So overall, very nice and sturdy. So I don't really feel it bending when I do this. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels like I could probably drop this a few times without it actually taking much damage. So you could probably take a beating if you're really using this. But for my purposes, it's a little bit of overkill, but I'll be using it for electronics and stuff like that. Whenever I gotta unscrew some big electronic piece, maybe a computer or something like that, or if I want to do some housework. It is very nice overall. Again, very nice drill bit, very nice set, very nice kit. Quite happy for the price. Came to me in about 2 days. which is what I expect from my Amazon Prime. And overall, I would recommend it. So if you'd like to pick up this drill bit, I'll actually leave a link in the description. Don't quite yet have an affiliate link, so I'll be working on that soon. But for now, this has been Manny. Thank you for checking out our first ever YouTube video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one.